My name is Billy Yakle. I'm the owner of Aisling Industries in Maple Park, Illinois. I've been in the industry for 25 years. After about 20 years, I decided to go off on my own and buy a machine. I had a garage already at my house, so I thought that would be a great place to start. We're in the middle of the country, and there's cornfields surrounding our property. We primarily service the mold industry. We do rebuilds, we refurbish impressions, and we do precision machining. Most of my customers come from other customers telling them what good work we do at this shop, and that is how the relationship started. I purchased the first V9 in 2018. The second one I got in 2021. I love them because they're accurate, they're very fast. As I said, the small footprint is great for a shop of this size. The design of them, they're bridge machines, which I love. I love the German build, always have. It has a height and 9 control on it, which is very operator friendly. The height 9 has an Ecotech option on it, which allows you to turn off the machine when the program's done. And it also allows the machine to warm up before you even come in the morning, which saves a lot of time. One of the guys I used to do work for, well, he gave me a call to come look at a machine, and that's when I went to MC Machinery and went to go look at the machine, and it went really well. I did a demo with Bill. He showed me everything about the machine, and I loved it. He answered any questions I had. I decided, you know, let's see what it would take to get one. So that started the journey for me. MC's always been there every time I've called them. When I got the machines delivered, they were here on site, helping them, making sure everything was going well, getting in the door that was very tight. They went above and beyond. Their service is second to none. Anytime I called, no matter what time, they were always available for me, even on Saturdays. They were great, helping me go from working for somebody to being the owner. They made that transition very, very good for me.